Yeah, I think the idea here, we're just going to create what's kind of an instant forest garden, really. This is actually a community garden project grown together in Westcliff on Sea. We're just trying to show, you know, kind of maybe different ways of growing and producing food, and just part of the permaculture course that we're running here at the moment, we thought we'd kind of put together a small forest garden in a currently underused part of the garden, just to demonstrate some of the principles, really, and show that, you know, a forest garden is suitable for any situation, really.
The grapevine, we're not sure we want to put in there.
We'd quite like some more stage time for we got over here as well. But
Well, there is more here, but at the moment we've got all these other things to plant as well. So we've got the comfrey. So what's the comfrey for? What are we growing it for? The Worcesterberries are like currants, but spiky.
It's a gooseberry.
Yes, they're really spicy.
Yeah.
They don't mind a bit of shade.
Yeah.
so they could actually actively go underneath part of the canopy.
Yeah, because they've done most of their work before the canopy is actually full.
Right, okay. So you
And the currants are like that as well.
Underneath the edge of each tree. Have you got one or two?
So we've been designing what should go where the apple trees go, where the fig tree goes, what the shrub layer will look like, and then what the ground cover layer will look like. The group is now planting up the different plants to go throughout the garden in this small section of garden at the entrance of the Grown Together site.
Oh, you don't know? Does it? Okay, so we'll make it bigger.
They're all friends. Right, so usually you don't do any weeding in a forest garden. You just cut everything down and leave it on the surface. Because everything that they're doing is all those two, yeah, they'll be fine. Yeah, they'll be fine. I mean, to start them off, we can put even some painting structure.
Tell me where.
So, would you like to tell me what you're doing at the moment?
I'm getting some compost for our little forest gardening demonstration site, putting plants in, so that's what's needed now.
Need a big area for a forest garden?
No, as you can see here, this isn't very big at all. It's probably about 10 square feet, not a lot much more than that at all, really. And as you can see, it's a very urban landscape as well. It's, you know, often one thinks, oh, forest, it's got to be out, you know, in the forest, in the woodland. But the principles, you can kind of adapt them anywhere, really, include them anywhere at all.
It's kind of falling apart, so I want to spray it, donate it to the local
So, what have we planted then? Well, on the sunny eastern edge, we've put in a fig and some sun-loving herbs. The two apple trees are an old French crab variety and a graft of Lane's Prince Albert, which was originally planted in 1841 to commemorate Queen Victoria and Prince Albert walking through the streets of Berkhamsted, apparently. There's black currants and Worcesterberries. We've put in rhubarb, also lemon balm, which is a good kind of aromatic ground cover, good for the bees, and also chives, mints, salad Burnett, raspberry, and to help with the fertility, building up fertility, we've put in comfrey and yarrow, and we've sown some white clover, which should fix nitrogen, and that's beneficial to the other plants in the guild.